Hey violin friends, today we're going to do Shark's Symphony. So this is a piece that looks a lot trickier than it is, and it's really fun, and I think you're going to have fun with it. So we should have gone over it a little bit in your lesson, but this is your chance to get extra practice and an extra lesson with me at home. So let's take a look at the beginning of it. You have all these eighth notes, they're called, TTs at the beginning, and most of them are Ds, and they're grouped in sets of 4. So if you could think about it, think about playing 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 3 a penny, 4 a penny, 5 a penny, 6 a penny. And then when you get to the next one, you have this note that's an E flat. And that's what we call a low 1. Regular E on the D string is here on the first finger tape. E flat is going to be back here. It's halfway between the nut, which is this bump here, and your first finger tape. So E flat is here. It's called a low 1 because it sounds lower. So regular E sounds like that. E flat sounds like this. Hear how it sounds lower? So you're going to play 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 3 a penny, 4 a penny, 5 a penny, 6 a penny. I don't know if you can see that with my finger. Let me go turn this way a little bit. So you have, again, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 3 a penny, 4 a penny, 5 a penny, 6 a penny. Scary, right? Okay, so we'll get to that. So let me show you the music a little bit here and what you can do to make it easier to keep your spot. All right, so you're going along. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. To keep your place, I'm going to write a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now when you're looking at it, you can think 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 3 a penny, 4 a penny, 5 a penny, 6 a penny. And then the next one is when you have to change to that E flat just for the first note. To make that easier to see, I circled it, okay? Circle it, and then 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 3 a penny. We're going to count those every time they're only Ds. 1, 2, 3, and then when you go to the next line, look, there's another E flat. Let's circle that, right? And then we've got lots more just Ds for a long way. So then I'm going to start counting again. 1 a penny, 2 penny, 3 a penny, 4 a penny, 5 a penny, 6 a penny, 7 a penny. You go that far, and then we got another E flat. So I'm going to circle that. This time I'm not going to really, you could write a 1 there if you want, but look what happens here. Now we've got a E flat on the beginning of each of those, right? So circle all your E flats like that. And then this X thing that says pick a note. That's what I did that made that screechy sound. You really pick anything you want to play, but you have to do it fast because you're going to go da 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 da. Right? So it has to be whatever you're going to do. You're going to do it D, E flat, and that whatever note it is. Then you see these 2 little slash marks. Those are called a caesura. Sometimes musicians call those railroad tracks. And that means you just stop right there, freeze, until your director says go again, right? And then remember what this V is for? That's an up bow symbol. Remember that V looks like the V, the tip of your bow? So you're going to start the next note with the tip of your bow. And we haven't learned this note yet, but see how low down there it is? That's a 1 on the G string. And I'm doing this on violin music. Violas, you have the same part, your notes look different, right? So that low note that you haven't had before is 1 on the G string. And you're going to play up bow, and it's going to last 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next note is a D that lasts for 4 beats, and then on the next beat after that, you're going to put down that low 1 again. So you're going to play, here's from the G, that 1 on the G string. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice that on the G string, my finger's on the tape. When it goes to the D string, it's back here on that low 1. It's that E flat, right? So back from that 1 on G, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bow lift again. Great big whole note. Bow lift. Now they're half notes, 2 beats. Rest. Rest. Now this part you've got slurs back and forth. Slur is when your bow keeps going, but your finger goes down to change the note. So you're going to go down. Do you see how my bow kept going down, but I added my finger in the middle? Now I'm going to go up and do the same thing. So I am now at the beginning of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line, and it sounds like this. Then you have TTs. Alright, so if you can get that far, we'll finish learning it at your lesson next time because the rest is pretty much the same stuff. Okay? See you soon. Bye.